Hi guys, Chris here from Hilti. Today talking to you about our cordless wood circular saw, our SC70. This saw has a bunch of cool features which make it really helpful depending on the different applications you're using. Obviously, stock standard, straight sawing, through wood, piece of cake. But you can also change the cutting depth. Simply flick this lever up on the side, change where the guard is, fix it in place, and that's going to determine how deep you're cutting with the blade. Another feature is obviously, as well as cutting straight, you can make beveled edges as well. Really easy gauge on the front, switch it up to 45 degrees and you've got a perfect 45-degree bevel cut. Another really great feature of the SC70 is the instant dust removal connection. Simply grab a Hilti vac, chuck the hose in the end and away you go. Being cordless, this tool is really useful regardless of where you are using it. So as long as you've got access to power to charge the spare battery, you can cut basically anywhere. Overall, a really top performing wood skill saw or circular saw, and you can find them at a Hirepool branch near you. And don't forget, when you're picking up your power tools from Hirepool, it's really important to make sure you've got the correct PPE. In all Hirepool branches, you can find a great range of earmuffs, goggles, gloves, and other safety equipment. So if you need PPE, you can Hirepool that.